One of the great things about LiveFlow is that we can input new columns and rows directly into our reports, and they won't break when we refresh or update those reports. So let's learn how to do this. To start, we're going to go ahead and just create a simple profit and loss report here. And let's go ahead and input a new column directly into our report, and we're going to label this column our August 2025 budget. Okay. Here, let's just go ahead and input some random values. Okay, and we can even input a formula to calculate these values as well. And we'll go ahead and refresh the report, and you'll see how the values in the column stick and won't break. And there you go. Now let's go ahead and try this with a row. Now say we want to go ahead and find our gross margin here. Okay, we'll go ahead and input a formula to calculate this as well. Okay, perfect. And then let's change this to a percent and drag the formula across. And boom, there you go. Let's refresh the report one more time. And perfect. That row and all the formulas we've inputted sticks as well. And there you have it. Now you can input as many rows and columns into the LiveFlow reports as you like. Have fun.